The Adventures of Bob and the Lone Wolf.
Yeah, that's right. We're back and better than ever. Crime doesn't take a break.
But we do.
We do. We take 30 minutes for lunch, and we usually wrap it up around 3:30, so...
It's enough of a work day for us.
Yeah.
Well, you might be wondering, where have we been? What have we been doing? Well, watch this clip, and you'll find out. I think you have diabetes.
Prepare to meet your doom!
Police! Hands in the air, bitches!
Who the hell are you?
I'm not! Oh, Christ, shut up. You're embarrassing yourself. The hell took you so long?
I was waiting in the car like you said.
I never said that.
Yeah, you said,
I have to go inside. I have to take care of something. I'll be right back. You stay in the car. You're so full of shit, your eyes are brown.
Gentlemen, please. I have murdering to do.
What you gonna do? Oh, she's gonna nag us. Quick, Wolf. Use your spidery webs. Get the gun.
I don't have spidery webs.
Use your laser vision.
I don't have laser vision.
Alright, super strength. Invisibility. Chlamydia.
We don't talk about that here.
Oh, Christ, I can't work like this. Can we reschedule for next week or something? Maybe February.
Yeah, that's fine.
During your area.
Whatever.
Alright, get in the car.
You said, wait in the car.
I didn't know such thing.
So, Bob, when are you going to start training for our revenge?
I'm training. Hey, you see me working hard here.
What are you doing? You're eating and drinking soda.
I'm doing the most important part.
What's that?
Thinking.
Thinking.
Yeah.
I didn't realize you were capable of such a task.
Ha, 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 ha.
Come on, Bob. Shouldn't you be doing some sort of physical workout?
Look it. I'm doing my rep weights here. We got 1, 2, 3.
You know, when you die, do I get to become the boss?
No. Hi, Luna Dog. You're a real good super sidekick.
What?
Not you. Luna Dog. She's my real sidekick.
What does that make me?
You're the assistant to the sidekick.
So I'm the dog's assistant.
Yeah. I love you so much.
So that's what we've been doing. And now, we're back for revenge.
Alright, let's go do this.
Alright.
Let's go.
Those are cute pairs of shoes. I want that.
Police! Hands in the air, bitches!
Who the hell are you?
Don't you remember? I'm the lone
Oh,
wolf.
shut up. You're embarrassing us. Why don't you go wait in the car?
But I trained so hard. And I had a montage and everything.
Alright, you can stay, just shut up or something, I don't know. Surrender it, the Nag-a-nator, 4,000.
Go ahead and take it. I got bored like months ago.
Yeah! We won! We got it! Good job, Lone Wolf!
But I trained so hard.
Yeah, we won! We got it! Let's go! Drinks are on you tonight.